Air mode activated. Time to fuck this shit up.
Got to tell you a little story about this, and this is the Kite, Daniel, and it's running on a 3-cell. And the other night I brought it out, and basically it flew away. So took it up, and basically that big tree over there in the distance landed. So cut a long story short, went and found it. It was in the creek. Got a creek runs around here, and it was in the creek. Tail was sitting out of the creek. So camera, ESC, motor, receiver, battery, everything underwater. Went over to the greenhouse, asked the young guy there, could I jump in and grab it? He was good enough to grab it out for me. Brought it home. Now we've got 38-degree days, so I stuck it in rice in the garage, so about 40 degrees, 24 hours. What we recouped was both servos, receiver, camera, motor. The only thing that died was the battery and the ESC. Battery was dead, wasn't even worth recovering that. And the ESC, I plugged it in, it smoked. So what we've done, put a new tail on it, did a core flute tail, made this a little bit longer, okay, to give it that bit of support. I think what the issue that I had was my up and down wasn't enough to really control it, because that steers and gives you power, but if it's too windy you need power to bring you back down. I couldn't bring it back down, so every time I powered down it would just go higher, and it got that high, I just cut it off, let it go, and we landed in the drink. Receiver's good, got a little 3-cell in there, a little 850, and we're going to take it up, take it for a fly. What we've done is we've actually put some dowel, some good Australian Tassie oak dowel in here, just to stop that from twisting, because I think that may have been part of the problem as well. So a couple of little improvements there, and we'll take it up, we'll shut up, and we'll see how we go. And I have actually put my little camera. This is the camera that went in the drink, and I put that on board. I 3D printed that little thing, little stand, and it doesn't turn around at the moment, it just does the stand that I'll sit there. And yeah, the camera basically recovered the SD card straight out. It had 2 videos on it, recouped those. Didn't recoup the video because I never turned it off. It went in the water, it didn't stop recording, so the video was lost. Not that I really wanted to see another video of me crashing into the water, but I've never crashed into water. As I said, original Kite, everything. So we're going to take it up. Oh, and to finish off the story, this little camera went underwater, the little Firefly. All I did was reload the software onto it again. Had to do that twice, and away we went. So we're all good. We'll take it up, we'll take it for a spin.